Hey friend, in this video you're going to learn how to use logic and reasoning to explain the abstract method of long division to your 9-year-old. The traditional method of long division. That method is very abstract because there are steps that seemingly have no reason for. And a 9-year-old learning this for the first time gets really frustrated and confused, just as frustrated as you are who is teaching it. So here are the things that I do in my sessions to coach a child through. The first thing I do with them actually is I teach them the Big 7 method of long division first to ground them in logic, the real logic of dividing whole numbers. Go to my other videos in the description box for you to figure out how to teach that first. So teach that before coming to this traditional algorithm, okay? Okay, in the traditional algorithm, the first thing I make the student write is these things above the numbers, above the number. And I want them to know that the 6 belongs to the hundreds place, the 0 belongs to tens place, and the 3 belongs to the ones place. They have to know that when I bring a 6 down, or when I'm dealing with a 6, I'm dealing with 6 hundreds. Okay? And then I want them to also list out the multiplication table of the divisor. Now one number that they typically leave out is the 0, which is really important. The first multiple I want them to do is not 3, is 0. And you'll see why afterwards. Right, I'll put a multiplication sign down here to remind them that this number here is multiplying with the number on top. Okay, so how many 3's can we take from 6? How many 3's can we take out from 6? We can take out 2 3's. So there's 3 times 0, 3 times 1, 3 times 2. So we can take out 2 3's. And so this 6 here, this 6 right here is 6 hundredths. So we're removing 6 hundredths from this 6. I'm removing 6 hundredths, so there's no more hundreds. And now we bring down the tens. So how many tens can go into this? How many tens can go into this number over here? There's 0 tens, right? So no tens can go into 0 tens. So there are no tens that can go into 0 tens, then I would use this number here. There are no tens that can go into 0 tens. And now I bring down 3 ones. So how many ones can I put into 3 ones? And the answer is 1. This is 3 times 1. 1 ones. 3 groups of 1 ones is 3 ones. And now I've got nothing left. No remainder. And this is the answer. So notice I keep saying how many hundreds can I put into 6? So 2 hundredths. How many tens can I take out from 0? 0 tens. How many ones can I take out from 3 ones? So I'm always using the terms of hundreds, tens, and ones. So I hope this, well, it's not gonna happen in one sitting, in the first go, because their minds, the way learning works is that they have to latch on to what's previously taught. Learning is a link, right? So you got to link it up to something else they've learned before. And the thing I'm linking them up to is in the topic of whole numbers, they have learned that 200 actually means 2 hundredths, right? So they have learned this before, so we are linking that to them. So when there is a 0, so how many hundreds, how many tens is there in 0? It is 0 tens. They can tell us that. I hope this helps. If this doesn't help, leave it in the comment section. Let me know what you're struggling with, and let me figure out how else I can help you improve on this. It's not perfect. But they have to learn this because this is the one algorithm that they can use to divide decimals. So if they're stuck with a Big 7 method, then they're going to lose out. They're going to get really, really frustrated and confused once they get to the 4th grade in primary 4 and beyond. Yeah? Okay, I hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Bye.